I have never believed. I know it to have brought regression. I watch it year by year, every 2 years when I meet my fellow members of the leaders of the Commonwealth. And it need not have been thus. The British never governed these countries by one man, one vote. It was one British government, one British resident, and his word was law. And he had good district officers whose word was also law for that district. I think regardless of the present missionary zeal of the Americans, of democracy and human rights, which has broken up the Soviet Union, it would be misguided to believe that what has worked in very special circumstances amongst European societies and what is barely working in Korea and Taiwan is universally valid. How to establish good government? Good government means a government that considers itself a trustee of the people, whether you're king, chief, or whatever. Not somebody in temporary charge and insecure and therefore out to settle an annuity and a nest egg for yourself, which is what has happened in so many countries. So if you ask me what my thoughts on decolonization are, I think they are grim, because Western political scientists have not lived in these societies, have not understood that what is required is economic progress, development, and the final blossoming of a large educated middle class, which alone can sustain a democracy. When you have 60 to 70% of your population educated, knowing what will work and what will not work, then one man, one vote makes sense. If I give way on Hong Kong to the British, who do not have either military or economic clout to hurt me, then I'm inviting trouble from from Bill Clinton. Chris Patton can only express his exasperation, but Bill Clinton can turn MFN off